Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Here is Javeed with question number 2 of exercise number 8.4. This is the question which is related with class 10 subject mathematics. Dear students, here the question is written as write the other trigonometric ratios of A in terms of sec A. Dear students, in order to solve the question, we have to find here the sine of A, cos of A, tan of A, cot of A, and cosec of A. And all these should be in terms of sec of A. In order to show these things, first of all we will consider a right angle triangle here. Let us consider this as the right angle triangle ABC, and let us consider the angle A here, and this the let AB is equal to K, and let this hypotenuse is equal to K sec of A. Why? Because this is the base of the triangle and this is the altitude of the triangle, dear students, and this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. First of all, I will show you here this base and the altitude and the hypotenuse. First of all, we will find these all the three sides of the triangle. Here we will take sec of A as sec of A, it is given, and it is equal to the hypotenuse upon base. And what is the value of the hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is the AC and base is the AB. So that is equal to AC upon AB, and AC it is equal to K sec of A. And what is AB? It is equal to K. So K and K cancel out. So what we get, dear students? We get sec of A. It means AC upon AB is equal to sec of A. Dear students, then we will write it as let this base is equal to the K and this hypotenuse is equal to the K sec of A, as I have written earlier. So then we will use these two sides are the known, and we have to find this altitude side, that means the opposite side, and we will use here the Pythagoras. Once we will use the Pythagoras, by using the Pythagoras we will get BC is equal to under root of AC square minus AB square. So that is equal to, if we will assign them the value AC, it is equal to K sec sec square A minus K square, and then we will take this K square out, that means K under root of sec square A minus 1. So it means this is equal to K under root of sec square minus 1. Dear students, now it is very easy for we people to calculate the other trigonometric ratios such as the sine, cos, tan, cot, and cosec. Let's take the sine, cos here, sine here first of all. Sine, as I have told you, it is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite is the K under root of sec square A minus A divided by hypotenuse. It is equal to K sec of A. So K and K cancel out. So what we get? We get simply sec square A minus A upon, no, this is one here, this one here, sorry for correction. So this is sec square under root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec of A. And then we will find the cos of A. Cos of A, it is the base, that is K upon K sec of A. K sec of A. Then we will find the tan in terms K and K cancel out here, that means it is equal to 1 by sec of A, as cos is also the reciprocal of the sec. So that is why we get cos of A is equal to 1 by sec of A. Then we are having tan of A, and tan of A, it is opposite by adjacent part. Opposite is the K under root of sec square A minus 1 by base, that is the opposite part, K and K cancel out, so that is equal to sec square A minus 1. Then we will find the cosec, dear students. Cosec of A, and cosec of A, it is the reciprocal of the sine, so it is equal to sec of A upon under root of sec square A minus 1. Sec is known. Now we will take the cot of a, it is the reciprocal of tan, that means it is 1 upon under root of sec square a minus 1. Dear students, in this manner we calculate all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec of A. Once again, let's have a recapitulation. First of all, I consider here a right angle triangle with base AB, altitude BC, and the hypotenuse AC. Dear students, then I assume that the base, it is equal to the K, and AC, that is the hypotenuse, is equal to the K sec of A. Why? Because we know sec, it is equal to the hypotenuse by the base. So hypotenuse I consider K sec of A, and base I consider K. K and K cancel out, so we get the sec. So sec of A, so it means hypotenuse and base is known. The third side, that is the altitude BC, I calculate here with the help of Pythagorean theorem. Once a right angle triangle we are having, we will use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the third side of that very triangle. And while I use that very formula, I get K is equal K under root sec square A minus 1, the altitude, or we can say the opposite side of the angle A. Then I take the sine of A. Sine of A, it is the opposite side. Here this the opposite side, and then the hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse. K and K cancel out, under root of sec of square A minus 1 by sec of A. Okay, and then the cos, it is 1 by sec of A. Tan, it is under root of sec square A minus 1 here. Then I take the cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of the sine, that means sec of A upon under root of sec square A minus 1, and then cot of A, it is equal to 1 by under root of sec square A minus 1. Dear students, hope you understand it very well. Thank you.